our channel. I'm back with an exciting video. Today I'm planning to make fish curry and I'm using pomfret fish. It's a pretty easy recipe, very quick recipe and very delicious curry. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So our fish is pomfret fish is ready, clean. I washed it already. Now we're gonna marinate. We're gonna add some turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder a little bit, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic. Now we're gonna marinate the fish. Our fish is marinate. We're gonna leave it in the fridge for at least half an hour. So it's been half an hour. Our fish was marinated, and now I'm gonna fry them, little sear, color them. I'm gonna add some oil in the pan, hot pan. I'm gonna add some fenugreek seed for more extra flavor. Now I'm gonna add our fish. I'm gonna change the side. Nice color. So our fish is color I'm going to remove from the pan. We're going to fry all the fish and then we're going to make a sauce for the fish. Look at the color, nice and golden brown. So now we're going to make our sauce for fish. I'm going to add some oil. A little bit of oil, and I'm gonna add some mustard seed, pinch of mustard seed, and I have one onion, medium-sized onion puree. I'm going to add it to the oil. I'm going to add a little bit of 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We're going to cook for a few minutes until it's changed color. You can see the color changing of the onion, turning a little brown. Now we're gonna add, I have here 2 tomato, medium-sized tomato puree. I'm gonna add into the pot. We're gonna cook it. So now we're gonna add our spices. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and chili flakes, quarter teaspoon of chili flakes also I'm gonna add. You're gonna cook all the spices with the tomato sauce. I'm gonna fry them nice until the oil comes up. So the sauce is almost there. Nicely fried. The oil is start to come up now. I'm gonna add quarter cup of water. Add half a teaspoon of salt. You can add according to your taste. And 2 tablespoons of yogurt I'm gonna add now. We're gonna cook the yogurt with the sauce. I'm gonna add some kasturi methi also. So now I'm gonna add my fish. I'm gonna slide the fish inside the sauce. I'm gonna lower the heat. I'm gonna just lower the heat and cover the lid so it will simmer the fish inside and cook thoroughly. So it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna remove the cover and see our fish. It's almost ready, nice and cooked. The sauce is getting together. So a few minutes, our fish is completely done. Looks so amazing. Let it cook for a few more minutes. You guys can see, look fantastic. See the close-up shot. So our Pompeii fish curries look amazing. I'm gonna add some coriander. Sprinkle some coriander. Some green chili. That's ready. I'm gonna do some presentation after that. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing, a very delicious fish recipe. Please do try this recipe or also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.